To change the key binding for existing VS Code keyboard shortcuts, you need to use something called key of chord keyboard shortcut. Key of chord is a double keyboard shortcut. So first you press Ctrl K or Command K on the Mac. So this is called key of chord. Now you can release this combination and then you will enter a second key of chord, which is Ctrl S or Command S on a Mac. Now, as soon as you press this combination, you will see an entire list of Visual Studio Code keyboard shortcuts. You can search all keyboard shortcuts. Here I'm typing Alt-Z, which is a keyboard shortcut for word wrap. One thing you should be careful about, in Visual Studio Code, most keyboard shortcuts are already taken. So if you double click on an existing shortcut, you will be asked to enter a new combination. Just make sure that you're not rewriting some other special keyboard shortcut by doing that.